Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the third part of our travel mini course series. Today we'll be talking about the communication that we need to learn in order to stay in a hotel. What will be the useful words and phrases, and I'm going to break this video in three little segments, which will be the communication that we need at the time of check-in. Secondly, we'll be looking at the communication, how to communicate when we are trying to place a food order. And there will be a short third part which we'll be covering in case we need any additional support from the hotel staff. So, as I said in my last video, have you yet subscribed to my channel? If not, then do subscribe. Please go to my channel and do click on the subscribe button, and do not forget to press the bell icon, because it's very important that you press the bell icon in order to get notified every time I post a new video. So, without wasting any further time, let's quickly see what are the communication skills that we need in order to communicate in a hotel. As soon as you reach the check-in counter, you could start the conversation by saying, "Hola, tengo una reserva a nombre de," which means, "Hello, I've got a booking on the name of." Second question that will be useful for you to ask is, "¿A qué hora sirven el desayuno?" which means, at what time is breakfast served? Third useful question would be, "¿Tienen servicio de lavandería?" which means, do you have any laundry service? Now, if you have any room requirements, for example, if you're a smoker, you could ask for a room which is for smokers, and to say that in Spanish, you would say, "Hola, por favor, necesito una habitación para fumadores," which means, "Hello, I do need a room which is for smokers." Next useful question would be the Wi-Fi password. So, "Por favor, ¿me podría facilitar la contraseña del Wi-Fi?" Hello, could you please help me with the Wi-Fi password? ¿Dónde puedo alquilar un coche? Where can I hire a car? Another useful question would be, ¿dónde está el restaurante más cercano? Which means, where is the closest restaurant to your hotel? So segment 2, now that we have already checked into the hotel, is of course eating some yummy food. "Hola, me gustaría pedir un plato de pasta con pan de ajo," which means, "Hello, I would like to order a portion of pasta with some garlic bread. ¿Me podría aconsejar un plato vegetariano? Could you suggest me a vegetarian dish? Me gustaría probar un postre con chocolate," which means, I would like to try a dessert that contains chocolate. Next, "Tengo alergia al marisco," which means, I'm allergic to seafood. Next, "Tengo alergia a las nueces," which means, I've got allergy to dry fruit. ¿Sirven ustedes tortilla española? Do you serve Spanish omelette? Now, the reason why I brought this point up is because if you are traveling to Spain, you should definitely try the Spanish omelette, and depending on how many different regions of Spain you are traveling to, you will see that the Spanish omelette will have different varieties. So it will be mostly it will be same, but there will be some difference. So please do try the Spanish omelette, which is tortilla española, and do let me know how you feel about it. So next useful question would be, quiero probar un plato típico de esta región, which means I would like to try a dish which is from this region. Now we will quickly have a look at the additional support that you might need at the hotel or outside the hotel. So, hola, necesito más toallas, which means, hello, I need some additional towels. ¿Podría limpiar mi habitación un poco más tarde? Which means, could you clean my room a bit later? ¿Me podría facilitar un mapa de esta ciudad? Which means, would you be able to provide me with a map of the city? Necesito más champú y papel higiénico, which means I need some more shampoo and some toilet paper. ¿Dónde está la playa? Which way is the beach? So with this, we've come to the end of our video and the end of our series, which is the travel mini course to Spain. Please do let me know if you have any additional questions to this. I would be more than happy to help you. And please give this video a very big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, please. See you soon. Bye bye. Ciao.